Guys, it's Tuesday night and I have all three printers up and running. On Cheryl, I am finally getting around to doing the Flexi Factory Elephant, and I'm doing it in Chameleon Galaxy by Strong Arrow 3D. On the Anycubic Max, we have a Rosertle, and I am doing that in Rainbow. Shiny Silk Rainbow. And on Pam, we are doing Cinderwing's new Fire Dragon Sprite. We're doing that in GNV TNTP Red Gold. The Fire Dragon Sprite is on the live right now, as you can see. So if you want to see how it's going, check it on out.